Hello and welcome to the second video lesson of this Python series presented by CodeBook. I am Nikit and today I'll going to discuss about the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. Python 3 was released on 3rd December 2008, but Python 2 is still entrenched in the software at certain companies. The reason behind is that Python 3 is not backward compatible. That means the codes and the programs which are written in Python 2 is not supportable in Python 3. And that's why the companies have been updating their software to make them interpretable in Python 3. As I told you, the codes and the programs which are written in Python 2 is not supportable in Python 3. So the old libraries which are written with the help, which are built with the help of Python 2 are also not forward compatible and they are no longer being used in Python 3. So many developers are creating libraries for using in Python 3. The third major difference between Python 2 and Python 3 is Python 2 stores strings as an ASCII format. By default, the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, while Python 3 stores strings as Unicode by default. If you don't know what is ASCII and Unicode, then let me discuss about it. ASCII and Unicode both are character encoding. They are the standards on how to represent different characters in binary format. Major difference between both is that ASCII uses 8 bits to encode each character, while Unicode uses 32, 16 or 8-bit encodings based on the requirement. The major difference between both ASCII and Unicode is that Unicode saves a lot of space and it represents most written languages in the world, while ASCII doesn't. Now let's move on the fourth difference between Python 2 and 3. In Python 2, the division operation returns a number which is integer and a whole number without any floating point numbers. But in Python 3, the division operation returns the actual calculation results along with the point numbers. So it is more accurate as comparison to the Python 2 version. The next difference is print. In Python 2, print was a statement, but in Python 3, print is a function. We'll talk about print in the later videos of this video course. Here I am winding up my video. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe my channel. If you liked that video, hit the like button, and